Alright, we have crashed puppies. Mr. Green. And there's Miss Pink. Hi, Miss Pink. These ones are all crashed. There's Miss Yellow, Miss Orange, Miss Purple and Red. Hey, you guys, come on. Oh, let's wake up some. Yeah, let's wake up. You have to wake up. Watch out, Mama. Alright, watch out. Yes, good morning, you guys. I guess good afternoon. Whoa. Oh, there goes Miss Red. They're becoming little puppies. Nice, stop. I'd say hello, Mr. Oh, I'm in a box. That little bait. Let's say hello, Mr. Green. Yes. Let's say hello. And here's Mr. Green. Oh. Hello, Mr. Green. Hello, Mr. Green. There's the two boys. Yes, hello, puppy. Alright, Miss Orange. Yeah, let's look at you. Yeah, let's look at you. I see you peeking. Nari, you're dripping everywhere. Oh, hello. Oh, there's Mrs. Orange. There she is. I got Miss Yellow here. Oh, hello, wake up. Oh, just wake up. She says, I don't think I want to. Hi, Miss Yellow. Oh, look, they're walking a little bit. I got Miss Red right here. Hi, Miss Red. Yes, hello. Yes, hello to you. Yes, hello, Miss Red. Miss Yellow is trying to get Mom. Where are you going? Come back here. Got Miss Red. And let's wake Miss Pink up. Hello, Miss Pink. Oh, hello, Miss Pink. Hello. Miss Purple. Hello, Miss Purple. Oh. Alright, Miss Yellow, that was a big walk. Oh, you're tired out. Put you in there. Oh, there you go. Yeah, they're getting so big. Oh, there goes Miss Red and Miss Purple. Hey, you guys. Oh. Okay, hi, Miss Purple. Hello to Mrs. Purple. She's all peeking at you. Oh, they're just tired little puppies right now. All they've been doing is sleeping. It's hello, Miss Purple. Miss Red. Hey, Miss Red. Hello. Hello to you. Yes, hello. Oh, come here. Oh. Hello to you, Miss Red. And she's peeking at you, too. Oh, please don't put me with the others. And then Miss Pink is left. Hello, Miss Pink. Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh. Stretch. Oh, stretch. So look at me. Yes. Yes, hello, Miss Purple. Or Miss Pink. Yes, look at us. Say hello to everyone. Say hello. She says, where's that food at? Oh, come here. I'm spin you around. Oh. Hello, Miss Pink. Oh. Oh, they're just all gonna go back to sleep.